DJ Cruz taking us AUDIOZONE. We're at the track just testing and tuning with the Novacain. We're about to get her out the street again. We did a couple more miles, bikes will be moving, but we just do what we got to do to try to get the car a little faster, man. Stay tuned and see how the night goes. We had some issues in St. Louis. Hopefully we got them corrected. Let's see if we can get it down the track. Stay tuned. We did 2 solid passes in the car. The DA is very high. We had 37, 100 on the DA, and the grains are very high at 145. So we're not getting the time that we want to get. We also know that it's very humid, as you can see. But we're gonna keep on playing and trying to play with the car, man. So I'm gonna go out there right now, do a hit myself for my first time today. I don't really get to drive it too much, so I'm gonna do my best. And just have a good time with the Novacain, man. So stay tuned if we go get this hit going and see what happens out. Cruise crew, all I can tell you, that was an adrenaline rush. We went down the track, so right now we're still doing some tuning on it. She's definitely very high DA. We know that the car's not running as fast as it normally is, but I am going to tell you, I just told my father I want to give him a ride because this is impressive. Literally, when you let go, it pushes you like a hit to the back, man, and that's a great feeling to have. So I did do a slower time than Isaac, and I did have a worse reaction time than Isaac, and that's definitely right now 100% of a fact. And I also had 1 mile an hour less. So I was just talking to my father about all this stuff. Right now we have to look at is, people don't know this, but that's why you see a lot of people cutting rear ends off and all these kind of parts on cars called weight reduction. For every 70 to 80 pounds is a 1/10 and a quarter mile. A 1/10 and a quarter mile means a car distance in a race in a 10, right? So right now, I'm obviously 2 times Isaac's weight. So obviously we know that has a big factor, but I can tell you that I did have a great time. I enjoy it. I'm gonna let Steph come back and look at the car. We're gonna look at the spark plugs, see what they look at the front light, and keep on playing from there, so stay tuned.